everyone, welcome to the second channel, Ruben Edited 2, with a new video. Today vinyl records that I found are these. I found them at a local thrift store nearby and I think they're really awesome. Never did see just so many good records before together. So first we got Billy Joel, The Nylon Curtain, with Goodnight Sagan, if I say that right. Next one is Madness with One Step Beyond. And then I got this one. That's Kate Bush. Let me zoom a little bit more out. Yes, Kate Bush with The Kick Inside with Wuthering Heights on there. And then I got Santana with Abarax. It's hard to say. With the gatefold. Very nice. Then I found this one. Never mind the bollocks. Here's the Sex Pistols. And God Save the Queen is on there. Oh, before I go to the next one, I would like to show you how it looks. Oh, this is very hard with the tripod here. It's so clean, it's so nice. So yeah, then we go to the next one, and the next one I found is the Rolling Stones. I think this is a compilation album or of most of their best hits. I'm not sure completely. Oh, this one, I found that too. That's the next one, that's this one. But this one is a repress, it's not the original. Then I got this one. It looks psychedelic, I'm not sure. But it's from the Netherlands because there's their rum on there. And that's a Netherlands company with ice. And the record itself, I have not got it out before. Yeah, it's ish. Maybe a silent record, I don't know. I'm very excited for that. And the next one I found is Eagles. It's a blue album on Asylum Records. And after that I got Goodbye Yellow Brick Road from Elton John. And yes, this is a trifold. There you go. Very nice. All the Tudor records are in there. Then I got Santana. And this one, all the records are in great condition, but oh, let me get this out. This one is very dirty. Yes, on the camera it doesn't look so dirty, but yeah, you can see it there. It's very dirty. And the inner sleeve is gone from that one. Then I got this one. I got this one already on yellow vinyl, but this one here is on the blue transparent variant. Let me try to get it in there again. Yeah, you go nice and slowly. So, compilation album from the Rolling Stones with the booklet. And it's already opened completely up, so this already got some damage. Then we got this one, the Rolling Stones, Love You Live. Yeah, very nice. And this one is made in the Netherlands. You can see there. There you go. And the next one is Golden Earring Live from Radar Love. I don't know if the Radar Love is on here, but I don't think so. No. but still very cool. Great band. And next one is Bob Dylan. Street Legal. I'm not a really big Bob Dylan fan, but I know these go for a good price here. So maybe I sell that one. Roxy Music with a Manifesto. Yeah, very nice. Another one. I don't know if if YouTube likes to see that other side, but yes, also a very nice nice record. And Wooden Nickel. I never heard of this band, but it looks very interesting. Cover is a little bit beaten up, but the record looks fine. And you got Slate with Slate on Polydor label, and yes, looks very nice. Oh, yeah, the inner sleeve is falling apart. Oh no, I think the inner sleeve is just gone. Some minor scuffs, not too bad. Good to see, because sometimes they can get really bad, but I think these are all from the same collector. And overall they look very good, but the glue on some of these records is just completely gone. So they're falling a little bit apart. And this one I found, Harvest from Neil Young. And I bought this all for €1 a piece. And the double records, just with 2 records in there, like Stage from David Bowie, but I just let you see, was €2. So €1 for each record. So this one was €1, and that's a great deal. So I think myself. And it has the paperwork in there. And of course the record itself, and that looks also very nice. That's just amazing, because normally I have seen this one before and it was kinda expensive, but the cover was also beaten up, and then you don't like to buy the record for so much if it's so beaten up. So yeah, Harvest Neil Young, very cool. The next one is the Rolling Stones Black and Blue. I got this one already, but I got a beaten, almost completely bad cover, because on the back there was a sticker and somebody tried to get it off, and the whole record came with it. The whole cover, I tried to say, came with it. Okay, and of course with original inner sleeve and booklets. Very nice that it's all complete there. Oh, oops. David Bowie live, but this one is from how you say, library. And yeah, got those stickers on there, so I need to try to get that off. And because it's been used a lot, it has some wear here and there. And it's a gatefold. Very cool. And I think the most unusual records to find is this one I found. Sticky Fingers from the Rolling Stones with this. It's amazing. Let's try to get it open. Let's open it up. Yeah, that's so cool. And yes, of course this is banned, because most of the times this bans with these records. But I've never found this one before in a thrift store. It's just amazing. And the record is in there, and also the notes are also in there. So these notes and the record itself. The Rolling Stones Sticky Fingers. And it's in perfect condition. That's the amazing thing also, because when you find them sometimes these kind of records in the thrift stores, then they're not overpriced, then they're completely beaten up, and yeah, not so special record, but still really cool. Commodores, and easy on there on the second side, and it's very clean vinyl, so also very cool. Then I found this one, the Stylistics Heavy. I never seen this one before. 1974 on AFCO. For the people that want to see the cat number, let's me try to get it on. Yeah, there. And comes in a blue inner sleeve, blue AFCO inner sleeve, and yeah, heavy. And it's not that wobbly vinyl, so it's kind of heavy vinyl. So that's great that it's so. Okay, then to the next one, Steely Dan. I think this one is, yes, this one is not an album but an EP, if I say that right. But still cool, Steely Dan. Another one of Billy Joel. Electric Light Orchestra with El Dorado. A symphony by the Electric Light Orchestra. How nice is that? It's not the Gatefolds, that's sad. On United Artists. Then we got the Eagles Long Run. Yes, and this one's also falling apart a little, but the record is still very nice. And it feels very clean. It feels not that the person that I've owned this one before was not smoking, and that's very nice. And because I was the first person to look through this that day, I got just the best ones of there. The Rolling Stones Song Girls. Before it was 1690, and it was in how do you say that? Gulden. Yeah. That's a long time ago. But they got already prices on there. So very cool, this inner sleeve and outer sleeve, and that all the cuts are still in good shape is also very nice to see. Okay, the next one is Roxy Music with the girl on there, the lady, the mermaid. Yeah, very nice. Then I got compilation album Spectra in Sound Volume 2. And Mark Knopfler is on there with from Dire Straits, so that's nice. But the second side is, weirdly enough, is classical music, so that's all awkward. Eric Clapton with Backless, also very nice record. Bob Seger, Against the Wind. The Outlaws on Arista. In this gatefold. Very cool. And Eric Clapton, There's One in Every Crowd. Never did find this one before, and I didn't know that it exists, but it's on RSO. Yeah, 1975. That's some time ago. Nils Lofgren. Didn't knew him before, but it looked cool. for some reason. Supertramp, Live in Paris, and it's a double album. Electric Light Orchestra, again one, a new world record. Ringo's Rotogravure, yeah. With the pictures, sadly without the thing. And the Police, Outlandos de Amour. Yeah, very nice. Then the next one, Lou Reed, Rock and Roll Animal. I don't know him exactly, but I know really much people like his music. So, very nice. The Eagles and Desperados. Herman Brood and his Wild Romance, Cha Cha. And I think I'm going to sell this one because really much people want this one. Really weird cover. The next one is Bintangs Traveling in the USA. Don't know this record, but it looked really cool. And it's on Decca. Printed in the Netherlands. The next one is Supertramp. Crisis, What Crisis? And with the yellow inner sleeve. We are almost there. Dire Straits, Brother in Arms. The guitar looks amazing. Walk of Life is on there. Very nice. I think this was the one from Sultans of Swing. I got this one already, but I think I'm going to sell this one. Yeah, Sultans of Swing is there. Yeah, on the second side. On Vertigo. And the last one is Dire Straits with Comnu. Yeah. You know what it says. There you go. And it was also the inner sleeve in there. Very cool. Yeah. That was all for today. If you're wondering what I'm playing right now, it's G. Michael Yar with Oxygen. Very great album. Very nice background sound. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.